I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a true noise sample so the filter knows what to remove. Record a few seconds of silence that contains only the hiss or hum. Once done, select that small clip with the selection tool and choose Effect, Noise Reduction, then Get Noise Profile. This teaches Audacity the exact spectral fingerprint to target. This step matters because a clean profile reduces artifacts later. Make sure the sample is representative of the whole recording. Next, you apply the learned profile to your whole recording. Select the full track or just the noisy region, then reopen Effect Noise Reduction. Set Noise Reduction, dB, for how much to cut, sensitivity to decide how aggressively to detect noise, and frequency smoothing to avoid musical artifacts. Click Preview to listen. If voices thin out, reduce dB or sensitivity. Once satisfied, click Apply. This two-step preview loop prevents overprocessing and preserves the natural timbre. Finish by auditing and fixing any side effects. Play through the processed audio. If you hear underwater or warbling artifacts, undo and lower noise reduction or sensitivity, then reapply only where needed. Once done, consider gentle EQ to restore clarity or use spectral editing to remove residual tones. Make sure to export a WAV or high-bit MP3 and compare with the original to confirm improvements. If problems persist, try a shorter noise profile or milder settings as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.